Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize online communities with Discourse easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official Discourse website. Create an account if you haven't already. Log into your account. Navigate to the install section of the website. Choose the hosting method that suits your needs. If you prefer self-hosting, follow the instructions for Docker installation. For managed hosting, select a provider that offers Discourse packages. Set up your domain name and ensure it points to your Discourse installation. Once your Discourse instance is live, explore the admin dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the basic settings available. Customize your community by selecting a suitable theme. Head to the settings section to adjust site-wide settings, like site title and description. Configure user permissions to ensure appropriate access levels for members. Create categories to organize discussions effectively. Encourage engagement by setting up tags for easier navigation. Integrate with third-party tools to enhance functionality. Consider enabling plugins to introduce additional features. Review and adjust notification settings to improve user experience. Establish guidelines and rules for community behavior. Promote your community through social media and email outreach. Monitor user activity and adjust your strategy based on engagement metrics. Gather feedback from users for continuous improvement. Keep your community updated with regular announcements and events. Engage actively with your members to foster a welcoming environment. Stay informed about the latest Discourse updates to leverage new features. Conclude by regularly evaluating your community's growth and making necessary adjustments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.